Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions and avoid those dreaded, "Why did I buy this?" moments. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's going to be more exciting than a cat chasing a laser pointer. On the left, we have the Tomzon A23 mini drone, the little guy that packs a punch. And on the right, we've got the Tmize 4K drone, the sleek, sophisticated flying machine ready to capture your world in stunning detail. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about price. The Tomzon mini drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $39. If you're on a budget, this might just be your new best friend. Meanwhile, the Tmize 4K drone is priced at $99. That's right, folks. It costs more than a fancy dinner date. But hey, you can use it to film your fancy dinner date from above, so maybe it's worth it? Now, ease of use. The Tomzon mini drone is like the training wheels of drones. With features like one-key takeoff and throw to go, even your grandma could fly this thing. Reviewers love how easy it is to set up and control, making it perfect for beginners. On the other hand, the Tmize 4K drone is more like a pilot's license in your pocket. It's got one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode. But let's be real. If you're a beginner, you might need a PhD in droneology to figure it all out. Some users mentioned that while it's easy to fly, it might be overwhelming for newbies. Time to get into the fun stuff. Features. The Tomzon mini drone offers 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. It's basically a tiny circus in the sky. Plus, it's got colorful LED lights, so it's like flying a mini rave. Reviewers appreciate its fun features and durability. The Tmize 4K drone, though, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's got a 4K UHD camera, optical flow positioning, and brushless motors. This thing is so advanced, it probably knows what you had for breakfast. Users are especially impressed with the camera quality and the numerous advanced features. Next, durability and safety. The Tomzon mini drone is built like a little tank. With tough materials and propeller guards, it can take a few hits, perfect for those who fly like they're playing bumper cars. Reviewers highlight its durability and suitability for kids. The Tmize 4K drone, however, is a bit more delicate. It's got those fancy brushless motors and a foldable design, so you might want to be a bit more careful. You wouldn't want to crash your $99 investment into a tree, would you? Some users mentioned issues with durability and finding replacement parts. Battery life is crucial because nobody wants their drone dropping out of the sky like a lead balloon. The Tomzon mini drone gives you 18 minutes of fun with 2 modular batteries. Not bad for a mini drone. Reviewers find the battery life decent for its size. The Tmize 4K drone, with its high-tech features, offers a bit more flight time, but let's be honest, you'll probably spend half of it figuring out all the controls. Users appreciate the longer battery life but suggest buying extra batteries for extended fun. Finally, portability. The Tomzon mini drone is so small, you could probably fit it in your pocket, if you've got those cargo shorts from the 90s. Reviewers love its compact size and portability. The Tmize 4K drone, with its foldable design and carrying case, is ready for any adventure. It's like the James Bond of drones. Cool, sleek, and sophisticated. Users appreciate the carrying case and ease of transport. Overall, reviewers find the Tomzon A23 mini drone to be a fun, durable, and beginner-friendly option that's perfect for kids and those new to drones. It's affordable and offers a lot of entertainment value. On the other hand, the Tmize 4K drone is praised for its advanced features, impressive camera quality, and portability. making it a great choice for more experienced users looking to capture high-quality footage. However, some users have noted issues with durability and finding replacement parts. So there you have it, folks. The Tomzon Mini Drone. Fun, easy, and budget-friendly. Perfect for kids, beginners, and anyone who wants to feel like a drone pilot without breaking the bank. The Temis 4K Drone. Advanced, feature-packed, and ready to capture your life in stunning 4K. Ideal for those who want to take their drone game to the next level. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another Buy Smart Showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.